Let's review the Sahara Las Vegas. In this video, we'll cover a room tour, some of the dining options, what's in the Sahara, what's around the Sahara, how to commute from the Sahara to the rest of Las Vegas. But first, let's start with that room tour. Alright guys, so here is my room at the Sahara of Vegas, and here's the washroom. They got a big heavy mirror door to get in here. Pretty standard, nice and modern. These rooms are all just been recently renovated. Floors 2 to 14, I'm on floor 7. They got a nice little closet, kind of a bar area. Really nice wine fridge, really nice fridge, and some charging stuff. And then the room is quite spacious. I like the decor. They got this huge mirror here as one of your walls, and they have a little button right in the center. Watch the top there. It just kills the lights on it, so kind of neat. And then of course, nice big TV, and they have a really nice work area for you set up your laptop and stuff. Some seats, pretty standard, but really nice. And then of course outside, here's your view. You can see some of the mountains off in the back, and here is the monorail station that'll get you to most of the strip. And of course the Sahara, it sits down at the north end of the strip, close to the brand new Resort World and the Strat. So we're kind of down that area, if you know what I'm talking about. So let's talk about the pools. One of the rooftop pools here is the Alexandria, and you'll have amazing views of the Las Vegas mountains and downtown. It's open daily from 10 to 5, of course that's weather permitting. It has like your cabana tents, and it also has a rooftop bar. Highly recommend coming up here for a dip. It is beautiful. And if you're looking for that beach club vibe, definitely check out Azillo Ultra Pool on the main floor, not far from the casino. And that's open from 10 to 5 daily. You can stay up to date with the performances and DJs that'll be at the venue on their website. Highly recommend it. Check out the Azillo Pool if you're staying here at the Sahara. Getting around Vegas from the Sahara. So if you go out the main door, up an elevator to the 4th floor of the parking garage, you'll find the rideshare pickup. You can grab your Lyft or your Uber there. Super simple. They got some benches. Really well done. Also, you could go to the Las Vegas Strip and catch a bus that will run you down to the Fremont area or back down to the main part of the Strip. Super simple. Also, out the back door of the Sahara, you'll find the monorail. All right, so just out the back door of the Sahara, you will get access to the monorail station, which is just over here, which is pretty convenient. There's one now, and that will run you down most of the Strip, so really convenient if you're staying at the Sahara. All right, let's go over some of the dining options that you will find here at the Sahara. So for breakfast, you kind of have two options. You have Zephyr's, which is a sit-down restaurant. The morning I went, I kept it kind of light, went with the avocado toast, but they have a full breakfast menu. Also, there is a Starbucks in the lobby, so you can also hit them up for your morning breakfast. All right, up next is Chickies and Pete's, a place that ESPN hails as the #1 sports bar in North America. It's a concept that started back in Philadelphia, and they're known for their world famous crab fries and cheese sauce, which I had to get. And I also went with the classic Philly cheesesteak. Both are delicious. Definitely come check this place out. There's loads of TVs to watch the game and tons of beer on tap. Totally cool vibe in here. Highly recommend it. Up next is Uno Mas, known for their Mexican street tacos and delicious cocktails. And since they're known for their street tacos, I had to get a trio of tacos, and they did not disappoint. They are absolutely delicious, and I ordered one of the most refreshing cocktails I've ever had. It's the La Fresa. It's tequila, aloe liqueur, strawberry puree, and lime juice. Amazing. And if you're looking for something a bit lighter, stop by Prendi right across from Starbucks, and you'll find focaccia pizzas, sandwiches, salads, and gelato. And next up are your dinner options. And one evening I dined here at Noodle Den, which is known for its fresh hand-pulled noodles and other Chinese specialties. Absolutely delicious. I actually did a more in-depth review on it. I'll link it in the description. Feel free to check that out. And if you're looking for a fine dining option, then look no further than Jose Andres Bazaar Meats, and you can expect nothing but the best. Some other things you'll find here at the Sahara is the Amina Spa, which is a full-service spa. Of course, you'll find the beautiful casino floor. You can take in a show. Here at the Sahara, they offer Magic Mike. The box office is on the main floor. You'll also find a couple shops. And just across the street, you will also find a Walgreens, a Subway, a McDonald's, and even a cannabis dispensary. So as you can probably tell, I really enjoyed my stay here at the Sahara in Las Vegas. I stayed for 6 nights and really got a good feel for the hotel. I tried out a lot of the restaurants, and I really appreciate its location, and then it has a monorail station, because if you're going to do Fremont and the main part of the strip, you're kind of right in between the two. The hotel is immaculately clean and the staff are amazing. They literally will go out of their way to do something for you. It is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend staying at the Sahara. All the dining options I tried were fabulous. If I had to give this a number, I'd say 9 out of 10, but I really enjoyed my stay. I suggest you give it a try the next time you're in Vegas.